Hello guys, this is KAKUMBA once again to introduce something on the YouTube channel. Today I have brought something known as the spreadsheet, and this one is under the Microsoft Excel. So today we are going to study Excel, and we are going to see how we can use it to make a report card. Before we continue, please members, don't forget to subscribe, comment, share, like. So Microsoft Excel, this is a software which is used, in other words, to make such features like tables, budgets, you get, more so calculative things in a tabulated form. Microsoft Excel, just like the Microsoft Word, also it has got documents. It has got tabs. For example, here, as I have already opened one here, as you can see, it has the Home tab, Insert, Draw, Page Layout, and these tabs have different features with them. So for example, I'm on the Home tab, which has different features. But as I've told you, today we are going to make a report card. So I have some marks here for some children entered into the file. There are 5, for example, here. Let me insert something here. And before we go further, Microsoft Excel is made up of a column and a row. So a row is this one, the horizontal. As you see this cursor, the way it is moving. So the row, they are like this. Then the column vertically. That means, and since this one is called a cell, it is named in form of a column and a row. Let me name. So the name of that cell where the cursor is, it is called A1 because it is in row A and column 1. That's where the name comes from. So for example, let me type here serial number S-N, then from rondo we shall have 1, 0, 1. Then this one will be the second. Then this one will be third. This one will be the fourth. This one will be the fifth. So as I've done that, and here, as I've told you, we open this. You found when I've already opened the document here. So I'm going to use this document to form a report card. And a report card, there is what we call the total, the average, positioning, and grading. Let's begin with the total. Total. So total is calculated in 2 forms. It can be calculated using a formula, or it can be calculated using functions. So let's begin with equals sum bracket shift place 9. Then I will come come and so when you are calculating the total, we come and put here in the open cell where we want to put the total. So we say equals sum. Then we first open a bracket. Then we come on the first digit whereby we want to add. So that's where we drag the cursor until where we want it to end. Then we close the brackets and then we press enter. So the marks will automatically come. So we automatically drag this added sum into the rest of the others. So here I come, I put this cursor here on the first box. So and I drag it up to here. So the marks will automatically be entered in. That is the total. Or we can calculate the total in such a way also here we can calculate the total in such a way that we shall say equals open brackets. Here it is, the cell name is C2. Plus D2 plus E2 plus F2. Then we close the door, we close the brackets. Then we press enter. Then the marks will come and it will be the same as this. You get? For our first time, when we use the formula, we got 175. And when we have just manually added it, we have got 175. So you come, you tap there, and you drag the cursor, so you have got the total again. That's also another way of getting the total. So you can get the average of students, average. So it is equal half. So if you type AV, they will bring you the word. If you don't know the spelling, it is there. Average. Then you open brackets. You also you come and do the same thing which we first did on the total. So you cover the range. Then you press enter. So the average has come automatically. So again we do the same thing. Yes. We drag the cursor to get the other remaining average automatically. So, and Another way of calculating the average is as average. Average can be calculated manually, just like the way the other time we calculated the sum. So you come here on the first box, you put place equals, you open a bracket. After opening a bracket, then you come and say this is C2 plus D2 plus E2 plus F2. Then after sorry, I've entered in, but I was not supposed to enter in, so I just come and I say average, I say equals, then I open a brackets. So we do the same thing which we have done. This is C2, then you open D2, we add E2, we add F2. So after putting that function like that, we shall we close the brackets as I've closed there. So I put slash by the total number of what I've added. I have added 1, 2, 3, 4. So I divide by 4. Then I press enter. So the things will automatically come, and you see here we have our first average as 43.75 and also our second average as 43.5. So we autofill. That's how we calculate the average. So members, again, another thing, as I've told you, you have to get the position, and here we are going to use rank. So I come, I press, I go on the first box, and that is K2. I press equals, then I come, I type in rank. Then after typing in rank, then I go on shift, I open a bracket. Then from there, I come, I'm going to use my average. My average one is either, I can decide, since I calculated average twice, I can decide either to use J2 or I1 or I2. So I have decided to use J2. Come on, I type in J2. Then I put the comma. So after there, I come into this very cell. I drag up to down. So after dragging up to down, I come, I customize. I press a dollar sign in between J2, J and 2. Then also I press a dollar sign between J and 6. Then afterwards I come outside, I come on shift, I close the brackets, then I press enter. So the position will come automatically as Molondo Eric appearing to be the first student in the class. Then I come, I do what we call auto-filling. So after auto-filling, there the positions will come automatically. Yeah, as the first student, and the rest will be ranked according to their average mark.